Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about something near and dear to my heart. Living your healthiest, happiest life without spending a fortune. We all deserve to feel good, right? But sometimes it feels like you need a Hollywood bank account to afford all the healthy stuff. Well, guess what? That's just not true. We're gonna break down some super practical, easy to follow tips that'll have you feeling like $1,000,000 without spending it. We're talking meal planning, smart shopping, getting active without the gym, the works. So grab your water bottle, put on your comfiest sweats. You know I love comfy sweats. And let's dive right in. All right, let's talk meal prepping, people. I know, it sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me on this. Taking a little time each week to plan your meals is like having a superpower over your budget and your cravings. Think about it. No more last-minute takeout runs when you're hangry. We've all been there. And you'll be amazed how much less you spend on groceries when you're not randomly tossing things in your cart. Plus, when you're prepped with healthy, delicious meals, you're way less likely to reach for those sugary processed snacks. We're talking more energy, feeling good in your jeans. Meal prepping is a win-win, my friends. Okay, let's be real. Grocery shopping can be a real budget buster, but it doesn't have to be. Buying in bulk is your new best friend. Seriously, those giant bags of rice and beans might seem intimidating, but they last forever and cost way less in the long run. And don't even get me started on generic brands. Listen, I love a good brand name as much as the next person, but sometimes the generic version is practically the same thing, just without the fancy label and price tag. So next time you're at the store, channel your inner bargain hunter. Stock up on those staples, and watch your grocery bill shrink faster than you can say organic quinoa. Now let's talk about getting our bodies moving. You don't need a fancy gym membership to get in a good workout. Remember those comfy sweats I told you to put on earlier? Good, because you can exercise right at home. There are tons of free workout videos online, everything from yoga to dance cardio to high-intensity interval training. Or keep it super simple and go for a walk or bike ride in your neighborhood. The key is finding activities you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. Even little bursts of movement throughout the day add up. Okay, this next tip is one of my favorites. Gardening. Now, I know not everyone has a green thumb, and that's okay. Even growing a few herbs on your windowsill or starting a small container garden can make a big difference. Imagine clipping fresh basil for your pasta dinner, or snacking on juicy cherry tomatoes straight from your backyard. Talk about farm-to-table goodness. Plus, growing your own produce is a great way to save money and reduce your environmental impact. If you don't have the space or time for a garden, check out community gardens in your area. It's a wonderful way to connect with your neighbors, learn new skills, and enjoy the fruits and veggies of your labor. All right, last but not least, let's talk about community resources. There are so many amazing organizations out there that offer free or low-cost health and wellness programs. Check out your local YMCA, community centers, or even libraries. You'd be surprised at what you might find. From fitness classes and nutrition workshops to health screenings and support groups, there's something for everyone. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. And there's no shame in asking for help or taking advantage of the resources available to you. So go out there, explore your community, and connect with others who share your passion for healthy living. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Remember, living a healthy lifestyle doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, creativity, and a whole lot of heart, you can prioritize your well-being without emptying your wallet. What are your favorite budget-friendly health tips? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun, inspiring content. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.